All right, guys. Hey, today we went down to Sand Lake, Oregon to test out a 2021 Jeep Gladiator that Jared had installed a lift kit in and 40-inch tires on his new Gladiator. While we were down there, we ran into a buddy of his that said he had a 2005 Mini Cooper that he wanted to sell. He said he wanted $1,000 for it. Had some issues and problems, but nothing really too serious. It's pretty ugly. But for $1,000, I said, what the heck, we'd take a look on the way home. So we, after running around all day down at Sand Lake, we decided to stop by his place and check out the Mini Cooper. And this is a Mini Cooper that we stopped and checked out. My wife and I both received our stimulus checks of $600 a piece, giving us $1,200. He said he wanted $1,000 for this thing. So, hey, $1,000 for me, give her $200. We're good to go, right? That's not always really the way it works.
No, it wasn't.
All right, we're rolling up on the Mini Cooper here. He's meeting us here at the Dollar Tree, or Dollar General, whatever they call it. And there it is. We're gonna check her out.
Hey there, guys. Here I am following Russ from Rusty Duck Garage in his new purchase of a 2002 Mini Cooper Type S. The cute little car that could. We're gonna go take it over to the car wash and do a little cleaning action in it. Get it cleaned up a little bit.
All right, guys. We picked up the 2005 Mini Cooper. It's got a supercharger on it. Supercharger was recently replaced. Has not that many miles on it, very few miles actually, intercooled. It's got an aftermarket tuner kit on it. Really runs out strong. We just took it for a little drive. We're gonna run it through the car wash here, or wash it ourselves at the car wash. You see some damage in the rear here. Big D's in it, gonna pull her in. Big D's driving around here. We got her cleaned up. It's looking a little better. A little steam there from hitting the radiator with some water from the pressure washer. Got to get a fender flare for it there, fix that on it. I'll get a tail light. I'll do a little paintless dent repair the best I can on it. And need some rear brake pads. But a few other things, but pretty good. That's what he's doing. Yeah. With the $1,000 Mini Cooper, 2005, supercharged. Got a new supercharger on it, 248,000 miles on it, $1,000. How could we go wrong? She's a little beat. She's been running hard, but man, it drives out good. 6-speed tranny works good in it. Not a lot of noises. Does have check engine light on. Seems to be something minor. Missing the molding there, as you can see. Around here, got a sunroof in it. Sunroof works. Heated seats work. Got some pretty cool little wheels on the car. We're gonna get a tail light for it here. We'll do a little paintless dent repair on this corner over here. Just kind of clean it up, make it look a little better. Won't be perfect, but won't be bad either. So I think great little purchase. This car, the miles per mile in this car is just awesome. It's just fun to drive. We've been out doing some launches in this thing, playing with the tach, watching the boost gauge. Just really a lot of fun. I've had some expensive cars, and this car right here, per mile, per dollar, this is a great, fun car. Okay, here's a real quick shot of the interior in this car. Got leather interior, heated seats, all this stuff. Yeah, yep. Had to help a little guy out there a little bit there, but a little bit of interruption, but pretty cool. All the gauges in here, whatnot. 6-speed tranny, being Big D here, out cruising, having a good time in this thing. You can see the check engine light on. Guy told me what it was. Didn't sound too serious. We're not going to worry about it too much. We'll scan it, find out what's going on. Got the brake light on because the rear pads are down there. So, anyways, we'll catch you later. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video of the Mini Cooper. That little supercharger on that car makes it a blast to drive. It's got a tuner in it, hits about 11, 12 pounds of boost, and really rips. If you like the videos we've been putting out, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and if you would, subscribe to our videos. We're going to be putting out some more videos on cars like this and muscle cars and that sort of thing. So please hit that subscribe button if you like our videos. Thank you.